Okay, so take a hoodie and put it on backwards, and then put your cat in it.
Okay, so this is perfect. I work from home, and she always wants to be by me, so let's do this. I'm acquiring the kitten, figuring out how to put her. She's not biting me. Are you biting me? Ah, she's so cute. Yeah, this was the move. She's going to sleep. 10 out of 10. Do this with your cat.
She needs help.
My cat likes when I bless him before his adventures.
Bye, O'Malley. I'm not gonna bless him, and he's gonna come back and follow me. Watch. Okay. Oh! Ready? May God bless you and may you come home safe today, okay, kitty? Oh, yeah. Bye!
Tell me your cat's name, then all the things you call them besides their name. Kurt. Curtis. Kurt the Squirt. Kurt Alert. Curdy Wordy. Curious Kurt. Curtinator. Kurtster. Kurt Cobain. Kurtingtons.
You wanna go for a run? You wanna go for a run? Wait. Wait. I heard you. Wait. Okay, go. Good girl. Come on, baby. Make sure you look both ways, Scout. Good girl. Go. Scout. Good. All right, Scout, go home. Go for a run? You wanna go for a run? Wait. I heard you. Wait. Okay, go. Good girl. Come on, baby. Make sure you look both ways, Scout. Good girl. Go. Scout. Good. All right, Scout, go home.